Hello students, this is Sudhir Tomar. In the last video we studied past indefinite, past continuous and past perfect. Today we are going to study use of past perfect. And for the tenses, let's start with use of past perfect. Let's know first two actions took place in the past. We use for the earlier action we use past perfect, and for the later action we use past indefinite. For example, the crops had destroyed before it rained. Second, Indians had become politically conscious before they got freedom. The crops had destroyed हो चुकी थी. क्रॉप्स डिस्ट्रॉयड हो चुकी थी मीन्स अर्लियर एक्शन था डिस्ट्रॉय होना और बाद का एक्शन था बिफोर इट रेन, बारिश होने से पहले. पास्ट इंडेफिनिट एंड द क्रॉप्स हैड डिस्ट्रॉयड पास्ट परफेक्ट. इंडियंस हैड बिकम पॉलिटिकली कॉन्शियस हो चुके थे. इंडियंस हैड बिकम बन चुके थे पॉलिटिकली कॉन्शियस बिफोर दे गॉट फ्रीडम. उन्हें फ्रीडम मिलने से पहले. पास्ट परफेक्ट एंड पास्ट इंडेफिनिट. सेकेंड यूज देखते हैं इन इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. Indirect speech. When in direct speech we have the sentence of present perfect, we change present perfect into past perfect. He said, I have delivered a speech. He said that he had delivered a speech. देखिए, I have delivered a speech, present perfect, past perfect में चेंज करना होगा. यहाँ पे वो कह रहा है in indirect speech we use past perfect. Let's see further. देखिए थर्ड, used with verbs hope, think, expect, want. To show past and the actions that are not complete. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखिए, he had hoped that you would help him. You would help him. सेकंड देखिए, सेकंड एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. He had thought of paying a visit to him. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट देखिए, with actions that had started before the time of speaking. For example देखिए, he had been a soldier for 10 years. She had waited for an hour when she turned up. आइए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट यूज. In conditional sentences, with the structure would, should, could plus have plus V3. For example, if we had caught the right bus, if we had caught the right bus, we would have reached on time. Would have reached on time. सेकंड देखें, if I had seen the advertisement if I had seen the advertisement in time, I would have applied. I would have applied for the job. If we had caught the right bus, अगर हमने right bus पकड़ी होती, we would have on time, हम समय पर पहुंच गए होते. If I had seen the advertisement, मैंने अगर एडवर्टीजमेंट को समय पर देखा होता, I would have applied for the job, मैं जॉब के लिए अप्लाइड कर चुका होता. These are the use of past perfect tense. Let's see further. Now we will take past perfect continuous. First of all, identification in Hindi as well as in English. In हिंदी जिन वाक्यों के अंत में से रहा था, से रहे थे, से रही थी आदि आते हैं वे सेंटेंसेस पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस के होते हैं। जैसे बच्चे 2 घंटे से मैदान में क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे, मैं सुबह से पढ़ रहा था, सुबह से वर्षा हो रही थी। These are some examples of past perfect continuous in the past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous की बात करेंगे हम प्रयोग करते हैं इसमें हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैड का ही प्रयोग होता है, लेकिन इसके साथ प्लस बीइंग फर्स्ट फॉर्म द वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी और प्रयोग किया जाता है, क्योंकि कुछ कार्य हो चुका होता है और कुछ अभी चल रहा होता है। देखिए कैसे हम प्रयोग करते हैं इसमें। जैसे हम एग्जांपल लेंगे, जो एग्जांपल है हमारे में लेंगे हम, जैसे वह 2 महीने से नई जॉब ढूंढ रहा था, वह 2 महीने से नई जॉब ढूंढ रहा था, वह जनवरी से एक नॉवल लिख रहा था। स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा सिंपल सेंटेंस का? सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस बीइंग फर्स्ट फॉर्म द वर्ब प्लस आईएनजी plus object, remaining part of sentence plus since or for plus time. The difference between present perfect continuous and past perfect continuous is only helping verb. We use has, have in present perfect continuous and had in past perfect continuous. The rest of the rules are same. देखिए ही वह जनवरी से एक नॉवल लिख रहा था। ही हैड बीन राइटिंग अ नॉवल सिंस जनवरी। सिंस जनवरी। Negative sentence, we only add not after had. He had not been writing a novel since January. Simple and negative. Let's see further. देखिए इंटरोगेटिव, स्ट्रक्चर देखेंगे। हैड प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस बीइंग first form the verb plus ing plus object plus remaining part of sentence plus since or for plus time plus sign of interrogation. Had he been writing a novel since January? Interrogative negative. Interrogative negative. We add only not after subject to make interrogative sentences interrogative negative. To make it interrogative negative, we use only not. For example, had he not had he not been writing a novel since January, interrogative, WH family words. WH family words कब, क्यों, कहां, कैसे, यदि बीच में आएंगे तो कैसे हम बनाएंगे उसमें WH family word. WH family word plus जो इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस है सेम, had प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस बीइंग. WH family word had plus being plus first form of the verb ing plus object remaining part of sentence plus since or for plus time plus sign of interrogation. Let's see, देखते हैं कैसे. देखिए एक बार, why had he been writing a novel since January? To make it negative, we use not after subject. Why had he not been writing a novel since January? और who से बनाएंगे तो who had been writing a novel since January means जनवरी से एक नोवेल कौन लिख रहा था. Past perfect continuous. Let's see further. Let's see future indefinite. First of all, identification in Hindi as well as in English. In Hindi, जिन वाक्यों के अंत में गा, गे, गी आदि आते हैं वे सेंटेंसेस फ्यूचर इंडेफिनिट के कहलाते हैं. जैसे वह एक पत्र लिखेगा, मैं आपको व्याकरण पढ़ाऊंगा, हम कल मार्केट जाएंगे, वह एक गीत गाएगा. These are the examples of future indefinite. In English, the helping verb tells us the identification. Future indefinite. Helping verb. Helping verb will and shall. We use the helping verb shall with first person. With second and third person we use will. In the shall used with first person means I and we. Will, the helping verb will is used with second and third person. You, she, he, they, any singular or plural noun or pronoun? Let's know the structure. In simple sentence, subject plus will or shall plus first form of the verb. We use first form of the verb plus with will or shall. Subject, will, shall, first form of the verb, object, and the remaining part of sentence. For example, वह एक नई कहानी लिखेगी. She will, she के साथ will, she will write a new story. वह एक गीत गाएगा. He will sing a song. मैं एक नया अध्याय याद करूंगा. I shall learn a new chapter. Simple sentence. To make it negative sentence, subject plus will, shall plus not, first form of the verb plus object, remaining part of sentence. She will not write a new story. He will not sing a song. Interrogative sentences. क्या वह एक नई कहानी लिखेगी? क्या वह एक गीत गाएगा? will or shall plus subject plus first form of the verb plus object, remaining part of sentence and sign of interrogation. देखिए, will she write a new story? क्या वह एक नई कहानी लिखेगी? आगे देखते हैं. जैसे इसी में है will he sing a song? क्या वह एक गीत गाएगा? देखिए, interrogative negative. To make interrogative negative, we use not after subject. For example, will she not write a new story? Will she not write a new story? Will he not sing a song? These are the examples. Now, interrogative sentences that begin with WH family word. Interrogative with WH family words. WH family words. हिंदी में जब कब क्यों कहाँ सेंटेंस के पहले आएंगे, मीन्स हिंदी में बीच में आएंगे और इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेट करते समय हमें वो शुरू में लगाने होंगे। जैसे वह एक नई कहानी कैसे लिखेगी, मीन्स द WH family word plus will or shall plus subject plus first form of the verb plus object, remaining part of sentence and sign of interrogation. How will she write a new story? How will she write a new story? Why will he sing a song? वह एक गीत क्यों गाएगा? एक गीत कौन गाएगा? Who से बनाएंगे? Who will sing a song? These are the examples of, means that these are the structures of future indefinite. Students, today we have studied use of past perfect. We studied past perfect continuous and future indefinite. In the next video, we will continue this topic further. Till then, thank you. Have a nice time.